All right, guys, so we're still here in Piperton, Tennessee, actually in the same house that you just saw our previous carpet video in. We are doing this countertops as well. Most people don't know that we do countertops. This customer did not know that we did countertops until I mentioned it to them, and they were very dull. I can show you what some of them looked like before. Talking about shining. We haven't even touched these. You can just see even the light reflection. It's just not what you want. A lot of watermarks, a lot of water streak. You even got no reflection right here. It's just dull. But BJ over here, he is etching all this stuff up, getting it nice and pretty. So let's see a little bit of it. So once BJ does that, then we can polish it and it'd be good as new. Thank you guys.